Okay, so let me give a situation that you have a lot of money and you're buying all those things you want to. Would you like to know how? No worries, you can do it if you don't believe it. All you need to do is watch videos and do it again and again and again, so you can earn a lot. And this is all it going to happen just with the help of your smartphone or computer. So simple. You can withdraw your money using PayPal, Payoneer, Gcash, cryptocurrency, ATMs, and variety of other methods. This video is a prize bond for you as you will learn a lot of different apps or websites to earn money. Do watch it till the end and get some profits. Fill your wallets and make yourself happier and wealthier. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first website I'd like to teach you how to make money online just by watching videos is featurepoints.com. You can also download this app for free from your Google Play or App Store. It's available worldwide. Take a look at this. They have been here since 2012. You can do contests, surveys, watch videos, or even earn cash back. There are many different ways to make money, but in this video, we want to focus on just watching videos and making money because this is the quickest, easiest, and highest paying job that you can do on this website. If you want to sign up, just enter your email address here and click on sign up. Now you can do this on your phone or computer. Let's come back to the video. You can see here that is truly my account and my name right now quickly. Let me offer you a bonus tip. If you have many computers and phones, just use all of them to open up many browser tabs. View various videos at the same time. I usually use Google Chrome browser and open 3 or 4 different tabs, and just let the video run automatically in the background while I do other things, whether I'm going out or doing my own thing, meaning that I'm still making money passively. The best part is I'm earning all of the money quite passively in the sense that I don't put it in any of the mental work and don't need any experience to click play to watch the video. If you stick around to the end, I hope that makes sense to you. I am going to show you a few more websites and applications that when combined can help you double, 3, 4, or even 5 times faster. Right now, I'm going to show you the second app where you can make money by simply watching videos. It's called appnana.com. You can do it on your iOS or Android phone. When you go in there, you can do a variety of things such as play games, take surveys, and watch videos. The point system that they use is called Nana's Points. As you can see, you can turn those Nana points into actual money. You earn Nanas, which you can then convert and cash out by PayPal, Payoneer, Sprile, bank transfer, and a variety of other methods. You may even join the referral program to make extra money. You can just click on this link and go to this page where you just have to put in all of your details and sign up. That's all you have to do. It's very simple and you can share this code on your Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, or whatever social media platform you have to share this with your friends. You can make one additional stream of income while you watch this video yourself. Today, let's go on to the third website, which is called mypoints.com. The reason I like this is that they give you 10 as a welcome bonus. I mean, who doesn't want that when you join now for free? They'll give you 10 instantly. Right now, all you have to do is enter your email and password and click the join button. On this app, you can do a variety of things to make money, one of which is watching videos. If you stick with me until the end, I'll show you what kind of videos you should earn. I'll tell you what kind of videos you should watch because different videos pay you different amounts of money, some of which pay you at higher rate and some of which pay you at lower rate. So make sure you keep watching until the end. I'll show you actually what videos you should focus on. But first, let me show you app number 4, App Trailers. This app has gained a lot of popularity throughout the years. They have been continually upgrading and releasing new versions. If you're watching this right now, congrats because they have just released a new update in which you can just watch videos and then make money. This chance is fantastic since the former version paid you very little, but right now with the newest version they're going to pay you so much more money. I recommend you watch at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time. You will be able to make a lot more money much faster. Moving on to the last app. App number 5 is called creationrewards.net. This app offers a $5 sign-up reward and by using it, you may earn gift card. You may earn money by just viewing videos. They give you a $5 sign-up bonus. But one thing I want you to highlight is that this app has been around since 2000. You can do a variety of things here, such as take surveys, watch videos, visit websites, do some online shopping, complete offers, and refer your friends and family. For myself, I focus on watching videos and visiting websites. They're all quite basic, no experience is required for this website. I want you to just focus on watching videos. If you like it and if you want more extra money, I recommend you explore fulfilling other offers linked to visiting and browsing websites. When you go into your account, you will see something similar to this one, such as watching and investigating surveys, downloading apps, referring friends, and so on. One thing to keep in mind that when you check in using your phone, you'll receive daily rewards. Make sure you click on that to claim your daily reward because it gives you bonus money every time. Also, make sure you log in every day to claim those rewards because if you do this for 30 days in a row for a whole month and you click on that every day, they will allow more videos for you to watch, which means you'll earn even more money, as well as additional tips and bonuses just for you, my subscribers. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.